Cleveland Word from the Education Channel, Red2-M5Z and Red2-M5Z and her family. Last 2 weeks ago, the red-tailed catfish had gotten to an illness stage. Came inside the room, passed by her tank, and she was kind of like leaning like this. Passed by, then I came back after eating breakfast. She was still kind of that way, and then she was just acting kind of strange, wasn't even agile or nothing. I knew something was wrong. So what I did, I took her out, put her in a bucket, 5 gallons. I aerated her, and I put Melafix in her. Always keep this on hand. Maize is the best. Melafix, they help for outer skin problems, fins, cloudy eyes, excuse me, and some internal infections because her tank mate, the albino pleco blossom, she had a string of poop for like about 9 inches long, and I just figured that's why the red-tailed catfish got the illness. So I quarantined both of them, and then I decided to quarantine all of them. Now they're all doing better. It took about a good 2 weeks process, okay? They're all doing better. It's getting winter time, so you gotta make sure that your temperature in the water is correct. At least 80 degrees. Okay? pH level gotta be correct. Also, caretaking. Feedings, don't overfeed. Anything left inside the tank after 3 minutes of them eating, 3 minutes, just give them 3 minutes. Anything after, get your net, take it out, or just vacuum right on out. To help your water condition stay better than more. Also, make sure you do your water changes. Also, sponge filters, canister filters, they work. You're gonna need them. Filtration is a must. Canister filters and sponge filters. That's in control of your bacteria that's in the water, such as ammonia, nitrates. They deadly. They need to be taken out. That's why you need them filters. Excuse me. You need the filters for sure on one. Must thing to do. Caretaking, feeding, maintenance, them guidelines, and then your maintenance is a must thing to do. You have to do that for sure. No questions about it. You got to do it. You do all these objectives for your fishes, pets, and animals, you can have a nice, sustaining environmental life for them all. Again, for them all. You can watch seeing them, watch taking care of them. Okay? So, again, the red-tailed catfish, blossom, the albino, the other 3 fishes, they're all doing great right now. Always remember about your caretaking, feedings, filtration, and maintenance. These things, these are must things you have to do, okay? Do it. Take care of it. Whatever is out there in the wild, and you bring them inside your domain, you call that captivity. Whatever is out there in the wild, and you have them in your possession, in your house or wherever, that's captivity. You must do the same thing. You must do that. No question about it. Just do it. You can't take care of them, let them stay inside the wild. Just let them stay where they're at. They'll survive. Give a thumbs up and subscribe from the Education Channel. Give questions, remarks in the comments section. I'll give you some answers. I have lost fishes. You're going to lose fishes also. Stay tuned for more updates. Follow up on everything that was mentioned. If you have learned something from this video, Cleveland Word from the Education Channel, do this. Notification button, turn it on. Subscribe buttons, do all that. Remarks, comments, put them in there. When I see them, I'm going to return and give you some answers, okay? Most of the fish hobbyists, they go through problems also, even for the new ones. Like again, from the education channel, thumbs up, notification button, press the subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing. It's a huge boost to this channel right here. This channel needs the help in order to show them videos and give you updates. Learn more, watching more, stay tuned for more. Again, Cleveland Word from the Education Channel, Real True Dads M5Z and her family. I want to thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. We are out. Thank you again.